What's up, guys? Welcome back. One Piece fan letter. If you haven't seen it, I recommend. It's fantastic. Whoever animated this needs to be hired immediately by Toei Animation. Unreal. Very good. Story's great. And the little glimpses we get of the big characters, it's like they're gods amongst the people. It's very well done. So let's draw Luffy. Little clip of him from this. You only see like little glimpses of the main characters, so it's really good. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip, pause, and go too fast. It's just base form Luffy, and he's in profile, so he's looking over his shoulder back, but his face goes this way, right? And his head's like up here. So his nose is an L shape, so we just go out, kind of pointy. Like that, so kind of like an L or an upside down 7 sort of a thing. There's no nostril in the show, but I'll give him a nostril. At the top, we get his brow sticking out that way. And it kind of curves around somewhere. Goes this way. Kind of like that, just round. So his eye, just that round sort of Luffy eye, right? So curving for the top eyelid. Now they do it real simple, right? And the bottom there. And then just a black thin sort of circle. Color black, and you could maybe like leave a little dot of white. His scar then underneath. And then his eyebrow kind of higher up. So his mouth will go down, curves out from the bottom of his nose. You just get this little letter M sort of shape. And then his chin bumps out there, and they give him a big smiling mouth just there. From the chin, we come underneath the jaw, and then curve down the neck. And we're side on, right? So his ear is just here, right? So it's kind of, you can kind of just see the side of his ear. We don't draw ears this much like this on this channel, but goes like so, right? So you're just seeing these kind of bones, this side on sort of bony section of the ear, and the back of it is kind of just here. And his jaw just goes that way. So different style Luffy now. So his red collar, right, comes across here. And then we got hair spikes coming out from behind the ear. For the back of his head. They don't do much in the way of like neck anatomy or anything like that. It's very simply drawn. And then we go spikes. He has his straw hat, and it kind of just bumps across here until we meet some of his fringe that's been blown by the wind this way. And then some comes down to his forehead. Like that. So the rim of his hat, bumping. They draw it real loose now, so you know it doesn't have to be exactly the way I'm doing it. It's just real bumpy and sort of loose and cool. Like it's just good the way they animate it and everything. And then we got like some texture lines with some underneath. Then we got the top of it coming around, and then he's got that red band with some sort of textures just on the hat as well. So his red sort of waistcoat's blowing in the wind back this way. So we got a shoulder here, and it kind of just waves down to his sleeve. Bumpy fabric. One thing they got really good was like the wind and stuff, that they sort of, how they animated the clothing and blowing and everything. It's really good. And the lighting, the colors and stuff. So that's his sleeve. So we can just see like his arm coming down that way, and then his back, but it's all loose, right? So it's you could have an extra fold line or two just there, and something else here. So we can see his chest and his abs at the front, and a bit more red. So and like chest. They don't do any anatomy lines there at all. Very simple. Then his waistband of his trousers, yellow. Coming sort of this way, and we can see a little bit of his back there, and then his scar. I drew a little extra sort of abdominal stuff there, but and that's it. Little debris in the air. Luffy from One Piece fan letter. I think that's what the official name of it is. It's very good. You should watch it. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.